Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies eggless, full guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and cream butter with sugars in another. Mix in plant milk and a flax egg until blended, fold in chocolate chips evenly, chill the dough briefly for better spread control, and bake until edges are golden and centers still soft. Choosing the right binder is key to eggless cookies. Flax and chia make a neutral, slightly nutty binder when mixed with water and allowed to gel. Mashed banana or applesauce add moisture and sweetness, altering texture and flavor slightly. Commercial replacers offer predictable performance and neutral taste. Match the binder to your desired cookie outcome, whether chewy, cakey, or crisp, and adjust liquid levels accordingly for best results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and makes post-baking cleanup effortless. I often joke that a smart vacuum is the best kitchen assistant after a baking session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Texture comes from balance of fat, sugar, and baking time, so small tweaks matter. Chilling dough firms the fat and prevents excessive spread, yielding thicker cookies. Slightly underbaking and resting cookies on a pan preserves chewiness while edges set. Use room temperature ingredients for even mixing and rotate trays halfway through baking to ensure uniform color and doneness. Small adjustments to sugar or flour can shift the cookie toward crisp or cake-like.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.